Jai Srimanarayana. 52nd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sudurdarsam idam rupam drushtavanasi yanmama deva apyasya rupasya nityam darsana kankshinaha. Om. Keep yourself belonging of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma will definitely shower his anugraham unto you, which has never been ever received by even devatas also. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep myself as your belonging. Please shower your anugraham, which has never ever been received by even devatas also. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Prahlada teaching Bhakti Yogam to his friends, saying that, O my dear friends, the likes and dislikes in this world ends up with only body. The moment body is destroyed, all those likes, dislikes also will disappear. But Atma, that means we are eternal. We do not have any relation with those temporary likes and dislikes. Because we are eternal, we should be craving for eternal happiness. We should not be craving for this impermanent pleasures. Oh, my dear friends, because of the karma that we have done in our past previous life, we got this body. Now whatever the karma that we are doing in this body is now going to make the future body. So this is what is the cycle of birth and death. People will be revolving in this, but we should not be revolving in this cycle at all. Those who are smart, they always strive to get rid of this cycle. They always strive to come out of this cycle. So we all need to come out of this cycle of birth and death, for which we need to start putting our efforts right now. That is why Bhajati Harim Iswaram. We have to follow enlightened people. We have to have devotion towards Sriman Narayana and serve Sriman Narayana. Sarveshamapi bhutanam harihi atmeswarah priyaha. Sriman Narayana is only the one who makes his presence full in each and every heart of the living beings and every entity. So that is why Sriman Narayana is only the most beloved supreme to every entity, and he is only the one who takes care of us. It may be Devatas, it may be Danavas, it may be Manavas, it may be Yaksha, Gandharvas, anyone may it be. Bhajan Mukunda Charanam Swastiman Syati. Irrespective of category, if anyone does seva to the divine feet of Mukunda, Sriman Narayana, they will definitely attain most sacred, auspicious, divine, eternal abode, which is known as Nitya Vibhuti. Oh, my dear friends, but you need to remember that just because of Brahmana, or just because of Manushya, or just because of Deva, or just because of Rishi, we cannot please Sriman Narayana. Chikkadu vratamula kratuvulang chikkadu saucha sila tapamulan chikkadu. Sriman Narayana cannot be pleased by just vratas or yajnas or tapasyas or charities. No. Sriman Narayana can be pleased only by devotion. Without devotion, anything that you do, it is all like you are exhibiting something. It is all like you are showing off something. Like that, Prahlada teaching to his friends. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 52nd sloka. Sudurdarshamidam rupam drushtavanasiyan mama devapyasya rupasya nityam darsanakankshinah. Sudurdarshamidam rupam drushtavanasiyan mama devapyasya rupasya nityam darsanakankshinah. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.